So for the new Kone integration, you need to make sure you have the display Kone AK Lift module activated in your options general. Now the new Kone integration connects to the existing Kone infrastructure, and you can do this by going to infrastructure and adding a new lift group. Then you enter in the server section the Kone lift server parameters, typically provided by Kone. Once connected, you can press Git configuration. This will import the configuration of the building. And this configuration is read-only data imported from the Kone server. And this has various built-in actions. This provides functionality that you can make use of in your system. So we have areas, which is essentially floors, different types of actions, Kone terminals, for example, in the lobby for swiping a card, lift decks, etc. Now also from the server management section, we can send API requests to the Kone server to clear people or clear profiles, upload people to the server, upload profiles, and also we can emulate swiping a card on the Kone server. Now for the access part of this integration, if you go to Access tab, Kone AK Profiles, you can select your Kone AK Lift group, and you would typically start with the Access Rights tab. So I've created a new sensor access staff access right, and here you can add or manage actions. So I have a normal destination call that I've added, and you can manage access zones. So I have added a ground floor access zone, but if you go to access zones tabs, you can create more different access zones from within this tab. So for example, I have all floors, and I also have a ground floor access zone. Now if I go back to access rights, I can manage these from within the access zone. So I have a ground floor, and I've also added all floors access. Next one is lift decks. Here you can manage which lifts you want to be included in this access right. Validity times. Again, if we go to the validity times tab, here I've created a 9 to 5 Monday to Friday and a 9 to 7 weekends validity time. I can adjust these if I wish. So this is 9 a.m. till 5 o'clock, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And if I save and go back to access right, I can manage these. So I can add the weekend as well if I wish to my validity times. Areas, again, I can add and manage individual floors from within this add and manage button. So currently I've selected ground floor and then 1 till 10. And terminals, again, I can add and manage which terminals I would like included in this access right. Save. And now for the last part, if I go into the profiles, this acts as a container for the access right. I can add or manage more than one access right within this profile container. Okay, and the last part, if I go into a card holder, here I can press Kone AK Profiles Manage, and I can add the sensor access profile that we've created. Also, I can select a direct call destination, in this case, floor 10.